Alright. Today we're down in a crawl space replacing a zone system control board. We have an old Bryant Zone Perfect 2-zone control board that we're going to rewire to a new Honeywell HZ311 control board. Due to the fact that this we are getting 24 volt signal from the thermostats to cut the heat on, but we're not getting the signal back out through the control board. Fuses and everything look fine. We have 24 volt signal, but we just don't have the 24 volts running out the control to the white wire to the main unit. And we're going to change it with the HZ311 Honeywell zone board here, and in the next few minutes I'm just going to be rewiring and hanging the new board up. Okay, we installed the Honeywell zone control. We just rewired it based on the previous wiring diagram. You can see we had zone 2, zone 1, the main wires to the package unit, damper 1, damper 2, rewired those back up to the zone control per the instructions, and now we're just going to cut the power back on to see if it works. Alright, power on. We've waited the 3 minutes and the purge override is just now shut off. The system is calling for heat. I do hear the furnace running. Both zone 1 and zone 2 are open and calling for heat, and we have the system running and everything looks good. That's it for the zone control replacement.